Additive manufacturing is a booming technology which allows rapid prototyping and small production lots in a cost-efficient way. Delphin has partnered up with some of the most innovative companies in this business in order to empower them with the best tools to recover silica sand. A DG150 and a customized separator are the solution Delphin has engineered with the cooperation of the 3D printers manufacturers. The DG is an extremely powerful unit which, along with the 1000-liter separator, represents the ideal solution for the recovery of sand on industrial-scale 3D printers. The collection of the sand is very fast and effective. It allows the operators to empty the printing box rapidly, while safeguarding the printed pieces. Thanks to a wide choice of suction accessories, the work is carried out swiftly, improving the overall efficiency of the process. Once the separator is full of sand, it can be moved around with a forklift, while it can be emptied easily inside a big bag or directly into the machine's containers. Contact us for more info or a customized quotation. Thanks for watching.